Welcome to Heasie Invest. Happy January 2018. I hope everyone had a great 2017. Beautiful, bringing in another year in Canadian cannabis stocks. And it's been a crazy, wicked, exciting start to 2018 in this sector. So let's go ahead and hit you with my January update. First things first, I now hold, I think it's around 60% cash in my portfolio. Since the new year, these stocks have just been lit. And due to that, my percentages, my gains, my profits were through the roof. And I decided it's time for me to let go of some of these stocks, which I've been holding since their infancy on the stock market. And I went ahead and cashed in, and I feel great about it because these stocks are so inflated right now, and they might continue to go up, but I wanted to make sure that if they do go down, I'm not going to get burnt. As I've been investing in Canadian cannabis stocks for a year now, I've seen a lot of peaks and I've seen a lot of drops, and I've held through all of them. Initially, I thought I would hold these stocks for the next 5-10 years, but with seeing how volatile these stocks can be after this crazy push over the last 2 weeks, I said, you know what, I'm gonna lock these in. And it's amazing, man. What a change. Anyway, let's go ahead and look at my portfolio now. I only hold 7 stocks at this point. I was up to holding 15 in the sector, but again, I thought it was time to sell. I am now holding the Hydropothecary Corp. I have an average of $4.22. The stock market average as of today is $4.39. I actually offloaded all of my Hydropothecary and then bought back into them, which I've done with most of my stocks now. So my averages, if you go back in my videos, are now much higher than they used to be, as I've now become less of a bag holder and become someone that's more active on the stock market. Second, we have Canopy Growth Corporation. I now have an average of $15.30. They are at $34, and I actually sold them at $34 last Friday, a big chunk of my Canopy. We'll see if it continues to go up or if it drops. If it drops, I'll be buying more of them. Aurora Cannabis, I have an average of $6.14. They are at $13.16. Another company I've sold a huge chunk of last week. Aphria Inc., who I did not touch, I have an average of $6.55. They are currently at $19.16 on the stock market. Harvest One Cannabis Inc., which had a huge run this past Friday. I've sold a big chunk of them, but I still hold a large chunk of them at 88 cents. That's my average. They're currently at $1.78. Abcan Global Corporation, I sold a huge chunk of. I have an average of $1.19. They are currently at $1.90. And lastly, the Supreme Cannabis Company, which just changed its name to that recently from Supreme to the Supreme Cannabis Company Inc. I sold a huge chunk of this past 2 weeks, but I still have a portion of them sitting at $1.72. Their average as of today is $3.04. So there you have it. That's what I'm holding. I'm hoping we see a dip or a correction in the next little while so I can go ahead and put some of this money back in, but I think pulling it out was a safe play at this point. I gotta lock in sometimes, man. I gotta lock in. This is Heasie Invest. Can't wait for the stock markets to open Monday. Let's go. I'm out.
You know.